Kaiber AI. I don't recall if it's a cohort. Season 3. I used to use it, and then I found out it cost money, and I was sad because I was trying to do my project without spending any money at all. And so far, I've been very, very lucky to not spend any money. But, you know, sometimes you got to spend a little money because it actually does cost money to do things. I did like their pricing though. Their pricing was pretty fair. Obviously, if you're able to pay for annual versus a monthly, it's usually more cost effective. But for this, sadly, they didn't have the $5 a month anymore. They've probably been out for a while and just needed to like pay for servers, whatnot. So I would try out a $10 plan just to get to 12,000 credits. That's a lot, like when you're experimenting and trying stuff out. Okay, so it looks like let's sign up with Google. Let's see. I'm already logged in. See how that goes. 120 bucks. It's for the whole year though. And not currently ready to make that commitment, but I am curious and I will be coming back to it in the future. So that was Kaiber.ai. It's basically making AI generated video. It's cool. I like all the examples that they have up here. Still having trouble with my own, and you'll see that in the next version of Creation TV Station because I have a lot of
You're all failures.
failures. Lots of failures.
Failure!
Oh my gosh. Okay. Next on the list. Okay, so this one I also do not think is a cohort, but I saw a lot about it on Twitter, and I am super excited to try this out. So this is also AI generated video that you can make. I mean, just look at this background. Like, how rad is that? The hand coming out of the cloud, that looks pretty cool. Giving very much Ace of Pentacles. We could try it for free. Should we try it out right now? I think we can. Generate videos. Turn any image, video clip, or text prompt to a compelling piece of film. I'm excited. We could start with text to image, and then we can use that image to create a video. This is amazing. Runway. That's pretty rad. Change it to different styles. Train custom models. Erase things from video. For anyone in post-production, I'm sure they'd love that. Amazing. Slow-mo any video. I love a good retime. Make images move. That is going to be a game changer. So I think we might use this. Any background? What else we got? Other creative scene. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, we know it's amazing. Okay, that's pretty rad. All right, let's go up. Let's see what we can do 21. Let's try something right now. Let's see what we can do. It looks like they already have something for iOS. So maybe I'll try that another time. Let's see how far we can get. We'll create an image from text, and then we'll use that to create a video or animation of some kind. Sure. And let's hope that we don't have any.
Failure.
But if we do, I mean, that's just part of it. Okay. So again, it costs money to run servers. Servers use a lot of electricity, like crunch all the numbers to like draw all this stuff. Those are all resources that somebody pays for. So this is a way to like bring technology to the everyday person without having to own all of their own equipment. So, build yearly. This one costs more than the last one we just looked at. But I don't know, maybe it's better. Maybe it's better quality. Maybe you get different things. You gotta like try stuff out. Lucky for us, looks like there's a free version. So let's try that. I love all this. Let's do a text to image and then we'll just see how far we can get. We'll try to make it into a video by the end. I have some notes because I have an agenda. Have an agenda. Let me see if I can find notes. Because we definitely don't want
Failure.
I have to like keep trying stuff out. Let's see, where is it? Second. Is this it? No. I can't seem to find it. All right, let's try something else then, because I had very specific notes. Let's try something else. How about a ghost from Nintendo? Let's just see what that does. No. I mean, it's cool, but yeah. Cartoon. I spell gooey. Again, it's not what I want. It's cool, but not what I want. It's just a ghost. Let's see what happens. No.
Failure.
I'm just going to do this every time I get something I don't want. Let's see. How about 8-bit ghost? Yeah, what gives? How about Casper? That's a friendly ghost. Oh yeah, forgot to do.
Failure.
Okay.
Failure.
No, still no. Did we do this? Let's see. Wait. Oval shaped ghost.
Failure.
This is why people don't use these tools, because
Failure. You're all failures.
yeah. All right. Here's what you have to do instead. You have to just look it up yourself. Nintendo Ghost. See, I don't even know what to call this. King Boo. Okay. Kind of like this one. What else you got? Let's some more. Here's. I'm not sure. I don't know what to do with that. Okay. Let's go back. This was a fail. Okay. Image to image. Video to video. Text to image. This is where we were, right? Infinite image. No, those are all the same. Okay. Let's transform an image. Here, we got our little boo ghost here. Describe your image to image transformation. Example, a cat painted in watercolor. Let's do a 16-bit version. Right. 16-bit style or pixel style? Pixel style. Generate.
Failure.
Yeah. It did. What? Okay.
You're all failures.
I don't even know what to do. I've lost all inspiration. Sure, roast me, it's fine. It's fine. Call me a boomer, I don't care. I don't care. To me, this is funny. To me, this is funny. I don't even care at this point. Is it going to do from there? From that last one? Okay, sure. Sure. Sure.
Failure.
Okay. You know what? I give up. That's what I'm going to do right now. But first, first, let's take this photo that we have. Oh my god. This is hilarious. I'm just gonna take screenshots because I don't have time to like figure out stuff. And you wonder why I can't go make cool AI art because we're doing this. Because this is what we're doing.
You're all failures.
Did I set an intention that we're gonna be failures today? Maybe. It's very possible. Am I gonna blame it on Mercury retrograde even though it's gone direct yesterday? Maybe. Let's move on. Can we make a video from that one image? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible? No, that's not what I want you to do. All right, how about this? Wait, what did I click on? Video to video. Use words and images to generate new videos out of existing ones. Let's try two different things. So we'll start with this first. I just dropped in the booth thing. Where is it? Download. Oh, it'll only take videos. All right, well then we'll just work with this Elmo video that we have so conveniently. And let's play with this. It's a 2-second video. What has my other assets here? Okay. Style strength. Not sure what that is. Succeed. I don't remember. It has something to do with the model. Yes, yawning. Sorry. Apologize. 3:33 on the clock. Okay. Wait, what do I do now? What do I do now? Okay, image, presets, prompt. Describe your output here. Arms, flailing. How do we spell that? Not failing. Flailing around. If I don't know it, will the computer know it? How about we change that to waving around? Let's just see what happens here. Wait, can we preview the styles? That's nice. Okay. And it's just going to add arms. Whatever it thinks arms are, it's just going to add them to my image. There's no intuitive textual intuition. The computer doesn't know what's in my head, so I have to tell it. And even if I tell it, it's based off of what it knows and not what I'm looking at and what I know and how to process context as a human. This is why AI fails. This is why AI sucks.
Failure.
This is why if AI keeps running off of the models that it does,
Failure.
then, we're all doomed.
You're all failures.
At least the boomers like me are.
You're all failures.
I'm not a boomer. Younger than a boomer. That one in between that it's like incredibly cringe but doesn't care and has an alcohol problem but managed to stop drinking. Yeah, sidetrack. Let's see. Elmo jumping. How about that? How about that? Okay. I have some ideas here, but it totally got rid of my fire. About in flames. I tried the Elmo. It thinks it knows what Elmo is. Okay, look at that. Yeah, that's interesting. No, jumping, waving arms. Let's see if it knows what I'm talking about. Not really. Not really.
Failure. Failure. Failure.
Should we try one more? What are we doing? I mean, the fire ones are cool because fire is awesome. Those are cute. Okay, that's the original. This is what we tried. Elmo jumping in fire. Screaming. Can we change what he's doing? Will the computer know? Not really. This is not good.
Failure! You're all failures.
Okay. I'm sad. Sad. Sad computer. Fire.
Failure!
Yeah.
You're all failures.
Okay. Let's try something else. So from this original photo, let's see if we could change the style. Let's try origami. Let's see how that looks. I really appreciate the style previews. I don't know if that's what actually will happen, but like it doesn't look like it's taking away from the second generation. Futuristic. No, it's pretty, but no. What are your thoughts? Like, what do you think of with this type of tool? I think what's different between the generations is that we have like history and knowledge and wisdom that influences how we arrive at our answers, but people younger than us have been exposed to different things, so they naturally have a totally different point of view. They have different imprints from their historical experiences. So, yeah, it's just going to be different. Storyboard. I wonder if we're like far away or if it's still referencing the first image. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's up now. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I don't even know. Is it still doing that sack computer on fire? Or are these arms part of the arms? Is this shape? It's taking the Elmo shape, but like adding in, like overlaying the other stuff. You notice that? Like, there's all the same pose. Even in here, it's still kind of, that influence is there. Okay, not doing that. What did I click on? Ink. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Clouds. So it's pretty cool. I mean, clouds are cool. Um, yeah, it's gonna take some work. This is why we will still have jobs for artists and illustrators because it's still tricky to train a computer to understand context and cultural context, but mostly like intuitive context. Like even this here, like we're using the same pose, kind of like a mask almost, and it's just using that as like a textural mask to generate the model images that it has. And that's why all this
You're all failures.
still not what I really want. What do I want? It doesn't matter at this point. I spent so much time on this app. It's good. I'm not knocking it. It's good at what it does. It's really good at what it does. But what I want, I have a very difficult time expressing that in a way for this tool to give me what I want. And that's why
Failure.
I'm moving on.